Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be teaching you how to get your channel ID from YouTube and channel info. So let's just go ahead to open your YouTube right here. You can use the Chrome version, YouTube Studio, but just go ahead to open your YouTube app. And the next thing to do is to go ahead to the top right corner where you see your profile picture and click on that. Then just scroll down to your settings. Then once I'm done clicking on my settings, the next thing to do is to go to my advanced settings. I'm going to click on my advanced settings. Then from my advanced settings you can see the user ID and you can also see your channel ID. So you can decide to copy both your user ID and your channel ID. So this is basically how to get your channel ID. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.